Hello, students. Myself, Professor Veena Kurre, School of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences, Sage University, Bhopal. Student, today we'll learn about the leadership attribute. Like who is the leader, how they work, what quality they have. We'll learn about that. As we look ahead into the next century, leader will be those who empower others. Bill Gates says this. What is leadership? Leadership is the ability of an individual or a group of individuals to influence and guide followers or other member of an organization. Like effective leader is about executing the company vision and setting the tone and the culture of that particular organization. Former US President Dwight D. Eisenhower articulated this idea when he said, leadership is the art of getting someone else to do something you want done because he wanted to do it. Leadership theory. Just, there are multiple definitions of leadership. Many different leadership theory exist. Like, for example, one group is the great man theory, a category that originated in the 19th century and the stress that great leaders were man born to the task. The second half of the 20th century saw the arrival of several more categories. Those include situational leadership, where the leadership style is just based on the readiness or skill level of follower in a given situation. Integrity. Without integrity, leader can't be. Integrity is a core quality that every leadership must possess. You cannot run any type of business, any type of organization successfully if you lack integrity. Innovation. Like if you have innovative ideas, innovative like discussion, innovative, like thought-provoking ideas, any innovative leader is not a creative genius with the thought-provoking idea, but give others to freedom to develop their ideas. You always find the people with great ideas who lack the will, determination, and fear of taking any action, but innovative leaders are not in one of them. Honesty. Honesty is the essential leadership quality, is the possession of honesty. Expected from leader to garner trust and respect from people for reality. Leadership can be defined in one word: honesty. You must be honest with a player and honest with yourself, like Earl Weaver said. Visionary. A leader should be visionary and have more foresight than an employee like Jack Ma. Visionary leadership is defined by the need for emotional intelligence or EI, a compelling vision, and the ability to take charge. Some of the greatest examples of visionary leadership are Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther. Problem-solving skill. Leadership roles are not only limited to management or delegating. Today, if you will see any business leader, the spectrum of leadership responsibility have evolved. Good leaders have this innate ability to respond to problems. And cultivating strong problem-solving skill is vital for any leader to eliminate barriers. Empowerment. Great leaders can empower their team member to achieve maximum productivity and organizational success. Student, empowering leader share power with their subordinate, giving them decision-making authority. They also express confidence in employee ability to perform their job automatically. Thank you.